There's some instruction going on. Okay, do you have any words for our audience? Nothing?
Happy Memorial.
There you go. That'll state the occasion. Michael, what are you doing? Okay, let's check on our roving weed whacker. Where is he? What are you guys doing over there, Kinger?
Little old girl dressed in pink. Oh, I know what she was when she was just a little tot. She sat in a high chair one day, and this I heard her say, Mommy, I like spaghetti too. Don't forget to call me when you eat.
Ah, Kinger! A good one! You weren't making that up, were you?
Fond memories.
Fond memories. Tim, what's on your agenda?
Well, if Bert ever gets done weed whacking, he's done weed whacking for about 2 hours now.
Yeah?
Now he's doing Michael Ryan's property.
He sure is.
Then what do you think? Okay, I gotta get Bird.
Yeah.
Tim did a good job on the mulch. Well, it's pseudo mulch. Uh-oh.
Next 9.
Next, we want to clean up. We got the hose down. We got some small stuff. Oh, we got to get the bag out front. By the rose bush.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, holy hang, Howard!
Hey, man.
Nick's up there. Come on. I don't know that.
Right here.
Okay, Bird's up by the grass field now. Hi, Catherine. Bird, what do you think? You going up to the grass field?
Got the spikes you wore at Coldick.
You bet. Back in 74, pitched an 8-inning shutout.
And Mother said, don't get a cold. Oranges are very good this...
But in the 9th, I got 7 runs and 1.